Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending September 13th of 2020. The stock was GM, as in General Motors. This happened on Tuesday the 8th in the morning. It was a tier 2 gap with a 1-minute DTS buy setup, be the tail entry. Management simple, reward to risk 2.8 to 1. Before I get into this trade, as always, free this week, DTS Free Stuff, an educational event for DTS members, best tips for newbies. You can stop the recording and read about this if you'd like to. If you are a DTS member, you will get your invites automatically. No need to sign up. If you're hearing this on YouTube or you're not a DTS member, head over to the DTS homepage and sign up to get invites to all of these events. The daily chart for General Motors, this was key for the decision here because on this particular day we were going to be gapping just above that little bit area. This, remember, is not a swing trade. This is a day trade. That's all I intended it for. It's not actually a good swing trade, but for a one-day pop, it was perfect. Stock opened and rallied a nice amount early in the morning and into lunch. 60-minute chart shows a little bit better why this is such a nice entry. That's the double top high there from the 60-minute chart, and we're opening right in that area right there. We initially pulled back, and I entered on that tail on that 60-minute first bar that you see right down here in this area. A little better view on the 5-minute chart, and you can see the dip that happened in the morning. That's where the stock opened, and entry came right in there just off the bottom. Entry 31.26, stop 30.89. A little bit lucky because I went fairly snug with that stop, and it did hold as I did catch the low of that pullback. First target, not proud of, a little bit cheap. The second target should have been the first target, but we grabbed that first one there. It wasn't a terrible one because of the great entry. Target number 2 was really the worthy target at 32.07, and target 3 was the home run, which I often hold for. That was something like 5 something R on that part of the trade, and actually exited just off the high of the day, so pretty perfect exit for target number 3. 1-minute chart just shows that entry a little bit better. Entry came actually just kind of it was still kind of heading down at that moment, and took just a little bounce for the entry in there. Target number 1, target number 2, and of course target 3 is off of this chart because the 1-minute chart ends at about 10:30, and target number 3 actually happened a little bit closer to lunch, so right in there. As usual, these trades are done in the DTS Trading Room. You can come join us. We focus on hitting the first couple of hours, and all the members of the room are apprised of the stocks that I'm looking at. We discuss them, talk about them. GM was the top focus that morning, and anyone who wanted to participate could have easily done so. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.